Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick, and it's just a Honda Accord, and I'm coming back to you from Phoenix, Arizona. Temp in the garage today is 103 degrees, so that's pretty much par for the course with all my other videos that I've been doing. And this video is taken retrospectively for the purposes of showing you how to install trunk springs on a Honda Accord in the event you want to give it a shot. The video was taken back when I was installing the upgraded trunk springs that came with the OEM spoiler, and I unknowingly put them on and found out that they created so much more force. When I went to go open the trunk, it felt like it was gonna slam the trunk into the rear windshield. So after installing the upgraded springs, I'm like, crap. I need to install the original ones because they felt fine. So I ended up doing that. But along the way, I took video on how to use this very proprietary tool that you need to install trunk springs, and maybe this will serve someone well down the line. Maybe they get rear-ended or something and want to replace the trunk themselves. I don't know why you would want to replace trunk springs beyond installing the OEM spoiler. And if you watch my previous videos, you're going against my recommendations of putting them on, but I'm not here to judge. I took some videos, so I figure I might as well pass along the knowledge that I collected, and you never know, maybe it will serve someone well down the line. So with that in mind, I will go ahead and turn you back over to the videos of installing the trunk springs. Go. Okay. And hopefully the trunk doesn't come crashing down on my dome. All right. That suck. I'll put on a helmet. This again. Don't mess my dome. Yep. Watch your dome. Okay. It's released. hook up with your back or something. Oh shit. Okay. I need some help. Okay. Okay. All right, that's been holding the trunk up. Yep. All right. Yeah. And we don't want this thing swinging. God knows where. Let's use your dome. First. There we go. Okay. And the trunk is pretty damn heavy without any springs to hold it up. Wasn't expecting that much weight. Right, on the new spring, it's got a yellow tab that's going to go up into there. And the red side is going to come next. You will not believe how heavy this trunk is without these springs. Alright guys, this can be done with one person. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pain in the ass to get this damn thing back in. But it can be done. You start off sliding the hook to the trunk spring. Right, there's a hole up here you can't really see, but you make sure it rests against this slot here, and then you get it in on that side first. This light here. You then are going to want to make sure the wire here is on the outside of the trunk spring. And then you have this tool already mounted, and you just torque it down and pop it into the two retainers, and then release it and twist this thing out. Now I'm about to do the other side. All right. So, oh man, son of a. Well, not done yet. All right. Nope. Wasn't hard. Just you gotta pay attention to wires, the trunk or the back seat release handles, and just making sure that you keep the wires on the outside of the springs and don't let them get tucked in. You don't have to jimmy some stuff around like I just had to. Made more work for myself. So I got one more, and all you do with these is you give it a twist. Make sure they are right side up, and you go slot in and click it in, and that's it. So that wasn't. All right, last finishing touch. Don't forget to clip this bad boy in so you don't get any rattles. Give it a little shake. Everything feels good. All right. So that, like usual, it's Niagara Falls here in my garage in the middle of summer. Jesus, it's bright as hell. So I got done. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the trunk. So that's going to do it for today's episode. If you watched it the whole way, hopefully it was entertaining. Apologies, I forgot there was a little bit of foul language along the way installing it because it was kind of a pain in the butt to install those trunk springs single-handedly. And, I don't think it was caught on camera, but I definitely dropped the trunk on my head. So definitely made a few comments during the video about watching out for my dome because it did leave a little bit of a mark. Anyways, that's all I got for you today. If you have any comments, feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments of the video, and please like the videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.